In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Microsoft OneDrive account. Now, whether you're looking to reduce your digital footprint or simply have decided that OneDrive no longer suits your needs, removing your account is a straightforward process, but there are a few things to consider along the way. So, let's dive in and take it step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First things first, before you begin the deletion process, it's vital that you back up any data you might want to keep. Deleting your OneDrive account will result in the permanent loss of any files stored there, and once they're gone for good. Make sure to open OneDrive and download any important files to your local drive or another cloud storage service to avoid any regret later on. Once your files are safely backed up, head over to your browser and navigate to the Microsoft account closure page. Now, you might need to sign in, so have those login credentials handy. If two-step verification is enabled, you'll need to complete that process too. On the account closure page, you'll see some options and a lot of information on what closing your account entails. Take a moment to read through these details carefully. Remember, this process doesn't just affect your OneDrive, it will close your entire Microsoft account and impact other services like your Outlook email, Xbox Live, and any subscriptions tied to your Microsoft account. If you're certain about proceeding, Microsoft will prompt you to check through a list of conditions to ensure you're ready to close the account. These might include canceling any active subscriptions or settling any outstanding balances. It might take a bit of time to go through these, but it's crucial to avoid any unexpected issues once the account is closed. After that, you'll need to confirm that you've reviewed all the necessary information by checking a series of boxes. These are essentially confirmations that you understand the repercussions of closing your account, such as losing access to all services and balances associated with your Microsoft ID. Once you're sure everything is squared away, click on the Mark Account for Closure button. After this, Microsoft will wait 60 days before permanently deleting your account and data, giving you a grace period. During this time, you can still recover the account if needed. Simply log in before the 60 days are up to cancel the closure process. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated the closure of your Microsoft OneDrive account. Remember, be absolutely sure before finalizing, because while this process starts with a click, its effects are long-lasting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like more tutorials like this, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments below.